Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on a Roku television. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gaming experience or navigate certain applications with more precision. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your controller paired up and ready to go. You'll be surprised at how straightforward the process is, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content in a whole new way. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your devices together. First things first, let's get your PlayStation 4 controller ready for pairing. Make sure it has enough battery life to avoid any interruptions during the process. Now, find the Share button, usually on the left side of the touchpad, and the PlayStation button, located in the center bottom. Press and hold both of these buttons together for approximately 3 seconds. You'll know it's in pairing mode when the light bar on the front starts flashing a rapid white color. Now, let's turn our attention to your Roku television. Grab your Roku remote and press the home button to go to the main screen. From there, navigate down to the settings menu. Once inside, select Remotes and Devices and then choose Bluetooth devices. You'll then see an option to pair new device. Your Roku TV will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. When you see wireless controller appear, select it to finalize the connection. Sometimes, technology can be a bit finicky, so here are a few troubleshooting tips. If your controller doesn't pair, try restarting both your PlayStation 4 controller and your Roku television. Also, ensure there aren't too many other Bluetooth devices nearby that could cause interference. It's important to note that while the controller connects, not all Roku applications or games are designed to support external controllers. Always keep your Roku TV's software updated for the best experience and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.